And then the key is here, you have to always keep in mind when you're scanning the market and when you're looking at the markets in general, if this is a tech name,
Yeah.
right? I want to know how the Qs are doing, right? If this is a gold miner, I'm not interested in what the Qs are doing. I'm looking at what gold futures might be doing. I'm looking at what GDXU might be doing, which is like the gold miner ETF, right? So it's like I always want to be aligned with what the sector is doing, because that's how you, like I always say this, people are always looking at a stock and, you know, they're like, oh, wow, this is moving really nicely, but the market's going down, right? The likelihood is if the market continues to go down, it's going to put pressure on your stock. But if you buy a stock when the market's pushing higher, you give your stock the absolute best chance of working to push away from your average, which then allows you to hold overnight, right? It's like I don't want to go into any stock that I buy and then the market's just kind of rolling over and the stock closes really close to my average.
Yeah.
Because if it closes close to my average, what's to stop it from just gapping down overnight? And then it's hard to manage my risk.
Yeah.
It's much easier to manage risk when you're bright green on the trade, right? But if you buy it, you know, on a day in which the market's going higher, all of a sudden, the worst case scenario for you is maybe it gaps down and stops you out at low of day. But if it finishes up 4, 5%, 3% from your entry, right? More times than not, it could just be a flat trade. And as a swing trader, the most common trades that I take, you know, is a small red, small green, flat trades. And then, you know, I never take big red because I know exactly where my stop's going to be. Very few cases does the market just like blow past my stop on an overnight gap down.
Yeah.
It can happen. It does happen. You know, if anybody was trading the DeepSeek thing this year, a lot of people got caught in that. But the reality is that, you know, the 3 small red, small green flat trades are the most common, and then the home runs take care of themselves.
Yeah.
Right. And that comes through patience and proper sizing, because if you buy a 10% position, the stock has to move 50, 100 more, right, to really move the needle on your portfolio.
Exactly.